I found 3 completely free AI tools that generate studio quality videos with 0 watermarks, 0 credits, and 0 limitations. And literally nobody is talking about these right now. Stay until the end because tool number 3 is the one that actually broke my brain a little. So let's start with the first tool. And honestly, I'd be shocked if you've heard of this one before. It's called Gemini Enterprise. You're going to see a button that says Start 30-day free trial. And go ahead and tap that. Now, here's the thing. It's going to ask for a work email, and your regular Gmail is not going to work here. But don't worry, because I've got you. I'm going to show you exactly how to get around that. Go back to Google and search temp mail. Open the first result. You'll see a temporary email address already sitting there, ready to go. Copy that. Head back to the Gemini Enterprise page, paste that temp email in, and hit continue. They're going to send a verification code straight to your temp mail inbox, so hop back over there, grab that code, come back, paste it in, and hit verify. And just like that, your 30-day free trial starts immediately. It'll ask for a name, just type in anything, it really doesn't matter, and then sign in. You are now inside Google Gemini with a full 30-day trial, which means unlimited AI videos and images for free. I still can't believe this works, honestly. Okay, so here's how you actually make your first video. Select the video model, paste in your prompt, basically just describe whatever video you want, and hit send. In literally a few seconds, your video is done. No watermark, nothing. Let me show you what the output looks like. Okay, right? The quality is genuinely so good. I was not expecting that. And there's no VEO watermark anywhere, which is huge. When you're ready to download, just tap that little download icon and it saves straight to your device. Works on iPhone, Android, desktop, whatever you're using. All right, moving on to tool number 2, and this one is called Roboneo AI. Tap login, then continue with email, and you'll see a little text that says register with your email. Tap that. Go back to temp mail, copy your temp address, come back to Roboneo, enter that email, create a password, and tap register. A verification code is going to show up in your temp mail. Copy it, paste it into Roboneo, and verify your account. Once you're inside the dashboard, you just got 70 free credits just for signing up. Love that. But wait, because it gets even better. I'm going to show you how to stack even more credits. Inside the platform, find the Invite Friends section. You'll see 3 referral codes in there. Copy the first one. Now open an incognito window or a totally different browser, go back to Roboneo, and sign up again with a brand new temp mail account, just like before. After signing up, you'll see a prompt that says Redeem Invitation Code. Paste in that referral code from your original account. Your new account gets 50 extra credits, and your original account stacks up more too. Use all 3 referral codes, keep bouncing them between accounts, and you basically have unlimited credits. It's so clever. I love it. Now let me walk you through actually creating a video on Roboneo. Tap new project, then workflow. The interface looks a little intense at first, but seriously, don't stress about it. Just press Command+A, delete everything, and then tap the plus button. You'll see a bunch of options pop up. If you want to make a video from a text prompt, choose text to video. I'll show you text to video first. Paste your prompt in, and then choose your model. My personal recommendation is Kling 2.6. It only costs 13 credits per video, and the quality is honestly so good. Set your duration, choose whether you want audio, and tap generate. Your video is ready in like 5 to 10 seconds. Here's an example of what the output looks like. Pretty amazing, right? Just hit download and you're done. Now, let me quickly show you image to video on Roboneo too, because this one is actually my favorite for product photos and portraits. Upload your image, type something like animate this image into the prompt field, select your model, set your duration, and hit generate. The result comes out so smooth. If you have a business, a brand, or even just cute photos you want to bring to life, this feature is everything. Okay, and now for tool number 3, it's called GeminiGen AI. The interface is super clean. Just tap sign up and log in with your regular Google account. No temp mail needed this time, which is honestly so refreshing. Once you're in, look at the video model options where you have both Grok and VEO 3 available, and they are both completely free. But here's the part that genuinely blew my mind when I first saw it. You'll look at the credits counter. It says 0 credits used. No matter how many videos you generate, you are not using any credits. Select Grok AI as your model. If you want to use a reference image, upload it. Type in your prompt, choose your aspect ratio, set the resolution to high, set the duration to 6 seconds, and hit generate with Grok. Your video is ready in seconds. No watermark, nothing. Just scroll down a little and tap download video, and it's saved to your device. Clean and perfect. And if you ever want to look back at everything you've made, just tap the history tab at the top. It keeps a full log of every single video you've ever generated. Okay, so you just unlocked something most creators are literally paying hundreds of dollars a month for, and you got it for free in under 10 minutes. Subscribe if you're new, because I drop videos like this every single week.